You think fear is loud, heart racing, sweat dripping, panic screaming. But the most powerful fear is the one you don't notice. It whispers, it lingers, it shapes every decision. Kafka wrote about this quiet terror, the fear of being judged, the fear of making a mistake, the fear of stepping out of line. It doesn't chain you, it convinces you to chain yourself. You work jobs you hate, follow rules you don't understand, wait for permission that never comes. And all the while you call it normal life. This fear is invisible, but it controls more than anyone realizes. It kills dreams silently. It drains courage quietly. The moment you recognize it, the chains start to crumble, because awareness is louder than fear, and once you see it for what it is, nothing can control you without your consent.